Hello, welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. We are doing addition and subtraction, and today's episode we are going to do under 9 without any techniques, and this is beginner level exercises. If you want to learn with techniques, you have to watch my other episodes. Please check my description box, and for the introduction about Abacus you have to watch my introduction episode. Link is in the description box. We are going to do these exercises, and I'm going to use this abacus because beads are big and very easy to understand. For the hand abacus you have to watch this episode till the end. So let's start with these exercises. This kind of abacus I have, and down beats 1 1 1 1 is 4 value, and up beat 1 beat and is 5 value. Use your thumb to move down beat up, and rest of all to move down beats down, to move up beat down, to move up beat up. Use your pointer finger. This is my marked rod, and marked rod must be first position, 10th position, 100th position, 1000th position, 10,000th position. We are not going to use right side of this marked rod. It's used only in division, and in the abacus questions are in vertical line. You have to start from the first row and move down and write your answer here. So this much we are ready to use our abacus number. First, all down beats are down and all up beats are up, means it's a zero position of the abacus. Number 1, place 3 and place 1, place 5, reduce 2, reduce 5, and for 6 we don't have 6 values bead, so you have to add this 5 and 1 because 5 plus 1 equal to 6, so you have to do like this. 6 and reduce 7 means 5 plus 2 equal to 7, so you have to reduce 5 plus 2. So first reduce 2 and 5 and your answer is 1. Next to number, place 3, place 5, reduce 2, place 3, reduce 5, reduce 2, and place 6, so 5 plus 1, 6, and your answer is 8. This is 5 and this 3, 8. 4, place 5, reduce 3, place 2, reduce 5, place 6, and reduce 8 means 5 plus 3, and your answer is 1. 5 and 3 and 1, and reduce 5, reduce 3. Next is 8 and reduce 7. 5 plus 2, 7, and your answer is 2. Number 6, 6 and 2, reduce 7 and 8, reduce 9. 5 plus 4, 9, and 6. 5 plus 1 and minus 1, and your answer is 5. 7, 5 plus 2, reduce 6. 5 plus 1, add 8. 5 plus 3, reduce 7. 5 plus 2, 1. 1, 2, reduce 2, and 6. 5 plus 1, and your answer is 7. Number last, 9. 5 plus 4, reduce 7. 5 plus 2, add 6. 5 plus 1, reduce 2, reduce 6. 5 plus 1, 5 and 3. Your answer is 8. So let's do the same exercises with this hand abacus. This is how to do zero position of your hand abacus. Let me explain one more time. So this is my marked rod. Stand your abacus and lie down and use this part between this rod and this bead and just slide to the right, and this is your zero position, of your hand abacus, and you have to straight your marked rod and equation and just open one first row and start from there, and you have to use your left hand to move down side. 3 1 5 reduce 2 reduce 5 and 6 reduce 7. Your answer is 1. 3 5 reduce 2 add 3 reduce 5 reduce 2 add 6 and your answer is 8. 4 and 5 reduce 3 add 2 reduce 5 add 6 reduce 8 and your answer is 1. 5 and 3 and 1 reduce 5 reduce 3 and 8 and reduce 7 and your answer is 2. 6 and 2 reduce 7 and 8 reduce 9 and add 6 reduce 1 and your answer is 5. 7 reduce 6 add 8 reduce 7 add 1 reduce 2 add 6 and your answer is 7. Last one. 9 reduce 7 add 6 reduce 2 reduce 6 add 5 reduce 3 and your answer is 8. Hope you like this video, and if you want to get notifications, you have to subscribe my channel and like, share, and keep learning. See you in the next video. Ta-ta.